Hello, fellow Colorado taxpayers, retailers, and business owners. My name is Steve, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, it is my pleasure to walk you through this video introduction to multi-channel sellers as part of our series on House Bill 1240. Let's go ahead and get started. As businesses have moved toward an online sales model, sales tax obligations for businesses and individuals who sell products via online marketplaces has changed with the passage of House Bill 1240. Here's what we'll cover in this video: the definition of a multi-channel seller, requirements for multi-channel sellers, and tools and resources if you want or need to learn more. Let's begin with the definition of a multi-channel seller. A multi-channel seller is someone who sells their products through a marketplace operated by a marketplace facilitator, but also sells their products via their own website and/or store. For example, if you make handcrafted hammocks that you sell through a marketplace, but also sell them through your brick-and-mortar store located in Pueblo, you would be considered a multi-channel seller. Let's take a look at requirements for multi-channel sellers. A multi-channel seller will generally be required to do the following: obtain a sales tax license, collect sales taxes, and file sales tax returns with the department. With respect to any sale that is not made through a marketplace operated by a marketplace facilitator, the multi-channel seller is subject to all of the same licensing, collection, remittance, filing, and record-keeping requirements as any other retailer. Let's take a look at relief from tax liability for multi-channel sellers. Multi-channel sellers are relieved of tax compliance obligations with respect to any sales they make through marketplaces operated by marketplace facilitators in general. Multi-channel sellers may be liable if they provide a marketplace facilitator with incorrect information, which results in a failure to collect applicable taxes. And multi-channel sellers are still responsible for collecting all state and state-administered local sales taxes applicable to their retail sales in Colorado made via their own store, website, or outside of marketplaces operated by marketplace facilitators. Let's take a quick look at the record-keeping requirements for multi-channel sellers. When it comes to record keeping, multi-channel sellers must keep records documenting they have contracted with a marketplace facilitator to sell through a marketplace. The contract must explicitly provide that the marketplace facilitator will collect and remit Colorado sales tax on all sales subject to tax. In lieu of an explicit contract provision, a multi-channel seller can obtain a certificate or a Form DR 1290 from a marketplace facilitator. Typically, a marketplace facilitator will state in their contract or terms of conditions that they will be responsible to collect taxes. However, if the responsibility to collect and remit taxes is not stipulated, a marketplace facilitator can provide a DR Form 1290 to the marketplace seller. Multi-channel sellers must also keep records supporting the exclusion of facilitated sales from sale tax returns. Multi-channel sellers should obtain reports from marketplace facilitators detailing each sale and the tax collected. They should also maintain their own records in a manner that allows their sales to be traced from their own sales journals and reports to reports provided by marketplace facilitators. For example, if a marketplace facilitator assigns a unique order number to each sale, the multi-channel seller is advised to record this order number with the sales journal entry for such sale. As a reminder, there are many tools and resources available to you through the Colorado Department of Revenue. Please keep these resources in mind if you find you need additional support. My name is Steve, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training, thank you for watching this video. The Colorado Department of Revenue is always here to help you be voluntarily tax compliant through information, education, assistance, and customer service.